And now to a story you'll see only on WJCL 22 News. A family is suing after their son was shot and killed on the campus of Savannah State University back in 2018. WJCL 22 News' Brooke Butler talked to the family's lawyer about this. And Brooke, this case involves a group called Savannah State University Foundation Real Estate Ventures.
Yes, Shannon, that group is separate from Savannah State University. The lawsuit was first filed back in 2020. A lot has unfolded since then, including the judge issuing sanctions and throwing out the defendant's answer. Now, this case could go to trial.
They think it's time for their son to have justice.
Attorney Mark Tate is talking about the parents of Khalil Clark, a 20-year-old who was shot and killed at University Commons at Savannah State University back in 2018.
He was visiting someone on campus, and while he was there, he was shot by another individual who was there visiting someone on campus.
Clark's family issued a lawsuit back in 2020 against SSU Foundation Real Estate Ventures, which owns University Commons. They said they feel SSU Foundation did not do enough to keep its tenants safe or warn others of the criminal activity that had already happened at that site.
It is about, at this point, not just the full value of the life of Khalil Clark, but it's really about what's going on at this specific campus.
Lawyers for SSU Foundation submitted an answer denying many of the allegations, essentially saying Clark's death was not their fault. But in recent years, court filings show SSU Foundation's legal team missed certain deadlines, and Mark Tate says there was more.
Rather than complying with our discovery requests and actually producing the documents and witnesses that we were requesting, they did not do so.
This resulted in the judge sanctioning the foundation and throwing out their answer.
It just means that the defendant's answer has been stricken, so they can't contest liability.
The court has now called for mediation, meaning a dispute resolution process. If that fails, Tate says the Clarks hope to go to trial and have a jury determine the value of their son's life.
They think that this jury trial determining what the value of his life was is a measure of justice.
And Brooke, even though Savannah State University isn't involved in this lawsuit, you still reached out to them.
Yes, Shannon, I did. They said they do not comment on pending litigation. I also reached out to SSU Foundation, which again is a separate entity. I haven't heard anything back just yet, but in this reply filed last week, they actually argued that the plaintiffs are not entitled to a jury trial and say they should still be able to argue against their liability in this case. So, of course, a lot of developments still happening. Shannon, back to you.
Yes, indeed. All right, Brooke, thanks so much.